I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to take a look at individual members and how to manage and review their activities inside of Worckie. So I'm inside of the Worckie dashboard, and I'm going to go to the left-hand side menu, and I'm going to go to Members. And this is where each member is listed. And from here, if you have admin privileges, you can look at anybody in the company. If you have department privileges, then you can look at anyone in the department as the leader to monitor their activity. So to see the information on any single member, you just look at that member, go to the right-hand side where the mini toolbar is located, and you're going to click the little icon that's called Member Analytics. And inside here, you can take a look at all of the activity for this member, including how much time they've actually worked. This is integral to using that timer. So one of the things you need to teach your members if you're watching time worked is that they have to click the start on the timer and then the end on the timer. And that will actually capture the amount of time they work on a task and on a project. I can also see if they have a current task that they're working on. So if they were in a task and had started the timer, I could see at that moment if they were working on a current task. The points area is how many points they earn according to the points that are assigned to a task. So you can monitor those points. In this particular instance, Heather has 1 earned point, and she also has 1 point that she can still earn by completing tasks. The next item is projects. That shows how many projects Heather has finished and how many projects are ongoing or open for Heather. Scrolling down, we can see the number of finished tasks Heather has had. And then we also have a broken down circular chart that shows how many finished tasks, how many ongoing tasks, how many finished tasks that were overdue, and how many overdue open tasks she has. The next item down on the list is a chart that shows the task that she's been assigned to and how much time was expected that it would take to finish that task and how much time was actually worked on that task. The next item down shows every project that that individual is assigned to, what the name of the task is that they're assigned to, the status of that task, the start date and the deadline date, how many points they can earn or how many points they earned for that task, what the finish or end date was, and how much time they actually worked on that task so far. So this is a great representation of how to monitor each one of your members to see exactly what their productivity is based on project and task. Each member has the ability to view their own information. Department leaders have the ability to view everyone in their department. Administrators of the company have the ability to view everyone in the company. So that's how you can manage and analyze productivity of each one of your members inside of your Worckie company.